Fire siren. That's what it sounds like. Oh. Okay. I think we're finished.
No.
Come on, you're just playing with the water now. Very nice, Dakota.
You want this pink?
Looks good. Yeah. All right, well, let's go. Come on. Don't you get fresh with me. Yeah. Use the brush right. Use it right. Don't play in the water. Come on, brush your teeth. Hey. Hey. Oh. Dakota, come back. Can you say baby? Yeah. Can you say okay? What? You did what? No, it's okay. Don't worry. Can you say okay? Say okay. You have to say it. Say okay. Okay.